I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you.
Hi Priya, wish you happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your best. ಇನ್ನೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ನಾನು ಪಾಂಬೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನಾನು ಪಾಂಬೆ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ದೋಸ್ ವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡು, ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು ಮದುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್. rock it and have a very eventful year and all the very best for your future.
All the best, Priya. Let all your dreams come true. Once again, wish you happy birthday.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Birthday. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Have a wonderful year ahead.
I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you.
Many happy returns of the day, Priya.
May all your dreams come true.
God bless you.
Enjoy your day.
I won't climb if you're not here. I'm paralyzed without you. Without you, I can't look. I'm so blind. I lost my heart. I lost my mind without you.
Hi Priya, happy birthday. Have a nice day. Marriage date is set.
Wow.
Congratulations
to both of you.
Pambe and Priya. Our hearty wishes.
I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you.
Happy birthday, Priya.
All the best.
All the best.
Thank you.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high.
wishing you many happy returns of the day, and this year bring a lots of good luck and happiness to you. ಸಾರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ.
Hi Priya, wish you a very happy birthday. There's a question for you. Did you know that we've known each other for 12 years now? Did you know that? We've known each other for a dozen years. Doesn't feel like it sometimes. But yeah, I still remember the first time I came to Bangalore with Bombay. I think it was like a surprise. You had no idea that I was going to come. But, I think it's close to 10 years ago. We came to Bangalore to celebrate your birthday, and we went to the most amazing place in one country, Disneyland. Yeah, but regardless of the place, it was damn fun. It was super fun, and that was one of my very first exposure to Bangalore. Adadmele, ever since, almost every year or every other year, we've come to Bangalore, or after we moved to Bangalore, we've celebrated your birthday together here. Every year, Pramod Engo somehow manages to do something better than the previous year. I'll take a lot of credit. Nane helkotirodadella avnge. But still, this year I'll try to meet you for your birthday. Abhigna's not in the country alla, so at least I'll try to meet you. In any case, I wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year, a wonderful year ahead. Especially ee varsha innu one bonus ide. You're getting married, right? So I'll see you for both your wedding as well as the engagement. Navantu hindin dina mundin dina will be there all the days. Nothing to worry. Okay? So, most of all, have a great birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you. Okay? Bye bye.
I will never be the same without you. Without you. I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you. Without you. I can't rest, I can't fight, all I need is you and I.
Hey Priya, since you and Bombay couldn't meet this year, we have done something. Hope it makes up.
Hey Priya, happy birthday. Really? You are all the way here from Canada?
Obviously, anything for you.
Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, टूटे हजारों साल ये मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Priya, happy birthday to you.
ದರ್ಶನಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು, ಅನಂತ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳು ದೊಡ್ಡಜ್ಜಿ.
Happy birthday, Priya. Oh Priya, Priya. तेरा तो बर्थडे जिया. Oh Priya, Priya. ये तेरा बर्थडे जिया.
तू खुश रहे, जहाँ भी रहे, बस ये है हमारी दुआ. ओ प्रिया, प्रिया.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Woo! That's all.
Hi Ginny, wish you many happy returns of the day once again. I hope you're enjoying the video and the surprise. I know ನೀನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ರೇಂಜ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I'm really sorry, but I'm just trying my best here, you know that. And I would like to really thank Meghna especially for helping me from the beginning in all this. And plus all your school friends, dance friends, and whoever is there with you right now, plus your mom and dad and everyone that has helped me make this video as well. And also our ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, I mean they had to really make some time for it because everybody was really busy. And and I just want to read you a poem which I wrote. I don't know, I had written this poem before and ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. But it just seems that poem ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So once again I'm reading this poem for you. So your birthday marks another year together. Such happy times I couldn't ask for more. Spending precious minutes, hours and days with you, my love, whom I cherish and adore. We have shared so much, we too, in love and friendship. Each year our bond just seems to grow and grow. I always want to be right next to you. To be with you means more than you can know. You're always there for me with a loving smile. I'm never happier than when I know you're near. I thought my love for you could not just grow stronger, and yet I love you even more this year. Once again, Kanda, I really wish you many, many happy returns of the day. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the night with your friends and make this a memorable event that you can cherish for years to come. And next year you'll be here, so it might not be a surprise party again, but you'll be planning it with me. So we'll have a great bash. We'll bring everyone here, and I'll get you to meet a new family. Thanks a lot, Kanda. Thank you for everything, and enjoy your night.